If you have a mini fridge that's not cooling properly, it's just too hot, I want to help you fix that issue. It's fairly simple to do. So the first thing I want you to do is just go ahead and unplug it from the wall. And what I want you to do is let it sit and defrost, remove anything out of the refrigerator, and let it sit here for about 30 minutes. And then I want you to check the doors, make sure that there's no obstruction, and go ahead and clean the outer edge of the refrigerator, of both the freezer if you have it, and the refrigerator. And then also make sure you check out the power outlet. Make sure that the circuit board didn't trip, which can happen a lot. And make sure that that power outlet's working. So try a different device on it. Next thing I want you to do is actually clean the coil on the back. Now some mini fridge, it's actually might be here in the front compartment. The majority of the mini fridges are in the back. And what the compressor and the coil does is it keeps hot air out of the refrigerator. So it almost looks like a little radiator right here. And you'll see like a little coil on most refrigerators. This particular one's an Astor, but Frigidaire's, GE's, Kenmore's have like like a grill, and it's called a coil. And what I want you to do is get a vacuum cleaner while it's unplugged and vacuum any dust or dirt that you see. Because what's happening is that's preventing the hot air from coming out, and it's making your refrigerator hot. And once you clean the coil, you'll find that it will fix the vast majority of the mini fridges that are too hot. All right, I do appreciate you watching, and make sure you subscribe.